Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Ford Ranger headlights. First, prepare your vehicle and gather your tools. Park your Ford Ranger on a level surface, exactly 25 feet from a flat wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is set to the manufacturer's recommended levels and your gas tank is at least half full to simulate normal driving weight. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this task. Now, let's mark your headlight beams. Drive your Ranger close to the wall, then measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall, marking the exact center point for each headlight with tape. Then, connect these two marks with a horizontal line of tape across the wall. This line represents the ideal height for your low beams. Next, locate the adjustment screws. Pop your hood and look behind each headlight assembly. You'll typically find an 8mm bolt or a Phillips head screw for vertical adjustment. Turning the screw clockwise will raise the beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. For optimal and safe aiming, adjust the driver's side beam so its top edge is about 4 inches below your marked line, and the passenger side beam 2 inches below the line. This helps prevent blinding oncoming traffic. After making your adjustments, step back and observe the beam pattern on the wall. Ensure both headlights are level and aimed correctly, providing clear visibility without glaring other drivers. Take your Ford Ranger for a test drive on a dark road to confirm the adjustments are effective and safe. Remember, proper headlight alignment is crucial for nighttime driving safety. For an easier clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.